Good morning, students, and welcome you all to the English class. Dear children, as you all know, we have completed with the grammar portion in the last couple of classes as well. Today, we will move ahead and do a new chapter together. This is found on page number 8787 of your Oxford English book, and the topic is the rain. It is chapter number 11, the rain. Okay, so I want you to keep your pencils in your hands and write the date as 4.2.21. Okay, and what do we understand by the topic the rain? Certainly it is going to discuss how things work around rain, why are rains important, who are rains important to, and such more things. Okay, so let us go ahead. Gopal was a farmer. Underline the word farmer. Now, who's a farmer? A farmer is someone who grows vegetables, fruits, then sells it in the market, and from the market we purchase it, bring it home and do the cooking. So Gopal was a farmer. He had a wife and 2 children. How many children did he have? 2 children. By now you should be well versed with the spelling of the word children. He lived in a tiny village near Madurai. Now the place Madurai is in south. What is the name of the place? Madurai. Like Nagpur is a city, so is Madurai a small city in south. Now he lived in a village which was close to this city, Madurai. Gopal had a well on his land. As you can see here, Gopal had a well on his land. But there was no water in it. So for some reason, we will come to know ahead that there was no water in Gopal's well, and he had the well on his land. Every day, Gopal looked at the sky. Every day, Gopal looked at the sky. There were no clouds. The hot sun looked down on Gopal and laughed. Underline the word laughed. And did the hot sun really look down on Gopal and laugh? No. As there were no clouds, there would be no chances of him to have rains there. Gopal went to Murugan. Now who is this Murugan? Please lend me 50 rupees, he said. So because there was no rain, there was no water in the well, he went to this man who was probably a money lender, who would give away money to poor farmers like Gopal. He asked him to give him 50 rupees. How many rupees? 50 rupees. I can't, replied Murugan. There's no rain. No rain means no ragi in the fields. Now a type of a crop is ragi, like we get rice, wheat. So he said, I cannot give you any money because there is nothing available. You know, like as there is no harvest and there's no rain, there is no food available. Then in the fields, when the rains come, you can have the money. So he was also dependent that the rains will come and he will be able to use the money. Gopal went home and looked in the little box under the bed. So he had a little box under the bed, as you can see in the picture. He looked there. We have 60 rupees, he said to his wife. We can eat for a few more days. So he had some money. He had not really given up all the money. He had 60 rupees left. Then what shall we do? Every day Gopal looked at the sky. So, poor farmer, how important is rain for them to have a proper harvest, to plant seeds, and in the rainwater, they are dependent on the rain because they don't have the money, not that kind of water supply is also available. So, rain being a natural source, they were dependent on it. The sun laughed down at him, not really laughing, just shining brightly. There were no clouds. Everyone was hungry. So there was no clouds and everyone was hungry. After a few days, Gopal looked in the box again. 4 rupees. So first there was 60 rupees. He was speaking to his wife. After using, that money, of course they had to buy food. He looked into the box again. There was only 4 rupees left. What happened next? We only have 4 rupees for food, he said to his wife. And then, said his wife, and then no food, said Gopal. So they started talking. He told her that only 4 rupees is left now and no more money we have. So we will not have food. They looked very sad. Suddenly, Gopal's wife touched her earrings. Gopal's wife touched her earrings. What about these? She asked. I gave you those on your wedding day, said Gopal. So when you don't have money, you try asking people for help, and when even they are not able to help, whatever security of money that people have, like Gopal's wife, were gold earrings that Gopal had given her. Okay. Actually not gold earrings, her earrings. Gopal's wife took off her earrings. A tear dropped from her eye. She felt very bad. Sell them, she said. We need food. She told him, sell it, we need food. Gopal was very sad. But he took the earrings and walked off towards the town. Because of course they had to survive, and the only way for survival was through eating something. Suddenly he stopped. Rain, rain, he shouted. The rain came pouring down. Underline the word suddenly means ekdam se. Pouring yani girna. The rain is pouring down. Gopal was very happy. So this is the story of Gopal, Murugan and his wife, and how being farmers, they were fighting the scarcity, that is no water being available for them to do cultivation, farming, okay, and how did they manage. Today you will only do the reading of what I have taught you, rereading loudly the way I have taught you. See you back in the next class. Till then, stay safe.